Margherita pizza is a classic pizza that originated in Naples, Italy. It is a simple pizza that is made with just a few ingredients, but the flavors are delicious and satisfying. Here is how to make a traditional margherita pizza. Ingredients: 1 pound pizza dough, ½ cup tomato sauce, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Roll out your pizza dough on a floured surface until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Place the dough onto a baking sheet or pizza stone that has been lightly oiled. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. Tear the mozzarella cheese into small pieces and scatter it over the sauce. Sprinkle the fresh basil leaves on top of the cheese. Drizzle the olive oil over the pizza, and sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious margherita pizza.